One of the biggest questions I get asked is, what do I do when my crystals arrive? Every crystal has its own unique energy, and it's really important that we connect with the crystals. That way they become more than just stones. In this video, I'll share 4 steps of how to build a relationship with your crystals. Think of it like this. When you first buy your journal, the pages are blank, waiting for your words. Cleansing your crystals are like having the blank pages within your journal. They are waiting for your energy, your intentions to set the tone, and that way they can help you on your journey ahead. Let's talk about the ritual itself. We're going to go through cleanse, connect, set an intention, and give it a place. First of all, let's talk about how we cleanse our crystals. We know that crystals travel through many hands before they reach us, so cleansing away any lingering energy so they feel fresh and ready for our intentions. We have a few tools to do this. The first one is selenite. So selenite is one of the easiest ways to cleanse your crystals. You can place them on a selenite plate. We have an option of the moon crescent, and then we've got an option of the chakra plate. You can place them inside a bowl, like so. You can see the clear quartz in a bowl. Or you can gently wave a selenite wand or a selenite stick over the crystals to cleanse. Sometimes I like to set my intention while holding the wand and then just tap individual crystals with my intention. That's the selenite. If you like a different way of cleansing the crystals, you can smoke cleanse. We have the California sage, and we also have the palo santo as well. You light the sage or palo santo, you let the smoke drift over your crystals, and this lifts away any stagnant energy and restores them to natural vibration. The last way to cleanse the crystals is water and salt. Some crystals can be rinsed under running water or placed in a bowl of natural salt to reset their energy. But always check first, because softer stones like selenite itself can be damaged by water and salt. So anything with ite at the end, like malachite, things like that can get damaged. You just want to use your tools to cleanse those crystals. Once we've cleansed the crystals, we go on to charge the crystals. So we charge them with our selenite. We just leave the crystals on top of the selenite plates, and this helps to charge the crystals. Once we've cleansed and charged the crystals, we need to connect to the crystal. So what I do is I hold the crystal, normally in my left hand, and I take a few deep breaths. I notice how it feels. Is it warm? Is it cool, heavy or light? And this simple act helps me to tune into the vibration of the crystal that I'm working with. After I've connected with the crystal, I then set my intention, and I say out loud or silently, I program this crystal to support me in whatever it is that you want support in, and finish with your goal, whether that's calm, love or abundance. Now the last thing is, you need to give your crystal a place. You can carry it in your pocket, you can wear it as a piece of jewelry like a bracelet or necklace, or you can keep it somewhere meaningful like your desk, bedside table or altar. So this is one of the first crystals that I ever bought. It's the Amethyst cluster. And to be honest with you, once I got this crystal, it sat on my shelf for quite some time, until someone said you need to cleanse your crystal and you also need to set your intention. And once I had this little ritual with the crystal, I felt like it belonged to me. And you can have that shift too with your crystals. So make sure that you cleanse your crystals and make sure that you set your intentions with them as well. Every time you bring home a crystal, it helps to reset your energy. Start with these simple rituals where you cleanse your crystal, you connect to it, you set your intention, and you give it a space. And this will help you to build a relationship up with your crystals, so they're not just sat there doing literally nothing. Well, when I say nothing, they do actually look pretty.